Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to create new album in gallery in Tecno Pop 9 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your AI gallery, click on albums. Here it is plus option, you have to tap on it. You can customize the name of it. You can just write any name like this, XYZ, and you have to press OK, and the new album is created. And from here you can move your photos and videos to your new album. Like I show you, I have selected 2 videos and 2 photos like this, and click on this tick option, and this will be transferred to this also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.